TikTok Shop versus TikTok Affiliate. Any difference? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the key differences between TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that TikTok Shop is a built-in marketplace where businesses can list, sell, and promote products directly on TikTok. Over here, sellers can showcase their products through shoppable videos, live stream shopping, and a dedicated shop tab on their profiles. After that, customers can complete purchases directly within the TikTok app without needing to leave the platform. Then, on the other hand, TikTok Affiliate is designed for creators and influencers who want to promote products from TikTok Shop and earn a commission on each sale. Over here, creators don't need to manage inventory. Instead, they simply promote products through videos and live streams and earn commissions when their audience makes a purchase. After that, sellers can set custom commission rates to attract influencers and drive more sales. Then, if we compare them, TikTok Shop is ideal for brands and businesses that want to sell products directly, while TikTok Affiliate is perfect for influencers who want to earn money by promoting products without handling sales. So that's the difference between TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate. That's all for this video.